So we're back at it again. CNA Performance. Today we're dealing with some fucking brake noise. Look at that goddamn thing.
Yeah, we got a little glazed up motherfucker right there. Woo! That fresh pad.
Holy fuck, man. So any of you driving your cars and your brakes make noise, that just means they're fucking working! Because this is the bullshit we have to deal with. When you guys complain that your brakes are making fucking noise, look at this. Doesn't this look like fun? We're not fixing anything. This is nothing. You're just sanding the fuck out of these for no reason. They just squeak. You guys ever seen a race car? They make a lot of fucking noise. Because they work! Yeah, it's clean. That's gonna totally fix the fucking noise. Yeah. You guys know what's in brake pads? Asbestos! You know what causes cancer? Asbestos! You know what we breathe in so you can have quiet brakes so you're not embarrassed in front of your fat wife? Asbestos! Oh, what's that? What's going on here? Is this professional lube job?
This is.
You gotta lube it up. Don't want these pads going in dry. Look. Holy fuck, man. Look at that. Oh.
Lube these contact points, and then they don't make noise as they move. You know, that's what they're supposed to do.
Yeah. Nah. You keep these brakes quiet.
A little bit where it touches back here.
Woo,
look at that little circle.
Fucking Picasso brake pads over here.
And we put a happy little tree over here.
Happy little bush on the side. Okay.
Don't tell nobody.
Don't tell nobody about this bush. What kind of bush are you talking about? Hey, can you come weigh in on some brake pad noise? I'm trying to explain this.
Oh god.
This tutorial video for people who are experiencing brake noise on their car. Trying to clear up some confusion that there may be about brake pad noise. No? Okay. Well, just let me know. We'll be here all day. Doing fucking brake noises! How much money do you get paid for this?
Not enough.
Not enough. So, a brake cleaning, this pays like a half hour, right? Just about.
Somewhere out there, maybe a little more.
So you get paid a half hour to do this. So you get 20 bucks an hour. You get 10 fucking dollars pre-tax to do this. Look at this. This is totally worth $10. Just look at all these tools you have. These were only $10, right? All these tools, that tool, this toolbox, that was $10. Good thing you make a good living off these to really support all these expensive tools that you had to buy to even do this fucking job in the first place. Reasonable. In case any of you tards are watching this is what your brakes look like. I know you just put your fucking 24-inch Asante rims on here and fucking flex on everyone on the trap, but this is what the important part of your vehicle looks like and what makes noise. And you get big-ass wheels. These will fail, that'll fail. This shit, these bushings in here, these are fucked. Yeah, you definitely need some big-ass rims on here. That helps.
More weight, these warp, it vibrates, you complain.
Yeah. This is a rotor. Brake. Rotor. Every one of these on every car on the road right now is fucking warped, so...
torque spec right there.
Yeah, torqued.
And the torque to good inside. Click, you hear that?
That was 18 fucks. I don't know. That was useless. Can't forget this little clippy. Hold this shit right in place. Keep it from making noise. That reduces vibration and noise. Look at that. Professional install. This, kids, is how you do a brake job. You're going to straighten the rotor up, and we're done. Oh, almost forgot this brake clean. Gotta,
clean the shit off that rotor. And it needs to be nice and good for
there, perfect.
about 3 miles, and
by the way,
pick up dust.
It just rained, and maybe you got some water and some rust on here, some buildup, and you were breaking it off when you were making noise, and you had no fucking problems.
Oh no, that wouldn't be related at all.
Rain had nothing to do with this.
Wet, friction,
Foolish. It's just foolish. So, you putting this wheel back on?
I am.
Show you guys how to put a wheel on too, I guess. We're full of fucking information today. Look at that, you gotta look inside that hole. See that? Hole the hole? You definitely don't want to pull the pole. So.
Shimmy shake to line those holes up.
Yeah, look at it going right in. Smooth like butter.
Wheel locks, because people want your factory wheels.
Oh yeah, I have like 6 sets of these in my house. If any of y'all are looking for some, let me know. They're all stolen, so.
There, that's a brake noise.
There you go. Tune in later. We'll have way more fucking information for you guys.